Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can speed up your Redmi 15C 4G. To speed up your phone, the first thing you can try is to go into security. You may find it on the home screen or in your app drawer. In here you can go into cleaner to try and clean your cache, residuals or memory in order to unclog them and possibly improve performance. Another place you can look at is boost speed, which will clear the apps running in the background to possibly also increase performance by, of course, closing them and stopping them from hogging system resources. Another thing you can try is, of course, going into the manage apps option. For example, sorting by used recently, and maybe tapping on it again. No, it doesn't change that, but you can just look around which apps you may want to uninstall in order to improve performance or free up space even. For example, you could just uninstall the random apps you never use and just make sure your phone doesn't have too many apps that are just hogging resources. You can of course update apps too, because unupdated apps may be causing performance issues. Another thing you can look at, the next thing, is in your security again, either here tapping on battery, or in your settings going into battery. You may see current mode. If your current mode is set to battery saver or ultra battery saver, it might cause decreased performance, of course. It does increase your battery's remaining time, but it will decrease your performance most likely. The next place you can look at is removing animations. To do so, go into additional settings, then accessibility. Here go into vision and tap on remove animations, which could potentially, well, by removing animations it may decrease the load on the phone's CPU or GPU, and may also be easier on the eyes if they are turned off. Another thing you can look at is memory extension. To use memory extension, you simply go in additional settings, scroll down to memory extension, and in here choose an option. It will use a little bit of your storage space in order to use it as your phone's extension to RAM. By having more RAM, of course, more apps can use more memory, which might help with performance, as well as allow you to have more apps turned on in the background, for example. Now you just pick the option you like, the option you think is necessary, and then you tap on reboot, which will reboot your phone, and once your phone turns back on, you will have increased memory capacity. You can of course later on turn it off if you don't want it anymore. Do take into account that this may potentially decrease your memory's lifespan. That's just a good thing to take into account in general. Another thing you can look at is in developer options. To go into developer options, you have to go into About Phone and start tapping on OS version. It may ask you for, well, you will have to tap on it 5 times, after which it may ask you for your phone's pattern or password. Once you unlock it, you can scroll down to additional settings. In here, scroll down again to developer options. Once here you can do two things. First is to check if you really are having performance problems by seeing your phone's refresh rate, to see if maybe it's somehow going lower. And another thing is if for example, some games are running in 60 Hz when you have enabled 120 Hz. This may be because this setting is turned off. You can turn it on, which will disable the maximum frame rate for some games. But this may cause some other sort of issues in the games themselves, because some games are restricted to 60 Hz for a reason. And now you can also try going into display settings to change your display's refresh rate. Either keep it on default, which will change the refresh rate depending on whether it should or shouldn't be 60 or 120, or you can just set it to always be 60, which may improve system's performance at the cost of not having the 120 Hz smoothness in display. Or you can up it to 120 if that's what you want. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.